Tell them we want to wish here, cause the people never love this I do. Little lion sound, this are the ruling sound, then can't go around with the tune. Little lion time, tell them we want to wish here, cause the people never love this I sound. Little lion sound, this are the ruling sound.
Alright, syempre, October 1 vlog mga bossing. So technically speaking, no, dito tayo sa ating voice clarity ng ating Yamaha and Boss 161 speaker. O, diba pati yung ads, malinaw. Anyway, mga bossing, yung ating speaker na NS45 at yung Boss 161 is binibigyan tayo ng output na mid-high, and then ang ating subwoofer na RV999D para sa ating bass. So ang ginamit natin dyan, yung Pioneer, Panasonic lang na 5.1. So ginamit natin siya pang boses. Rinig na rinig naman natin yung kaibahan. So depende na lang sa inyo. Kung ang gusto nyo yan setup natin dati, which is Baragan, is Battle Mix yan. Ganun ang mga setup nun sa Kevlar. So kahit nga yung misis ko, ano bang diferensya? Parang hindi mo makikita yung kung wala kang hi-fi tenga. O kaya ganun kasi lang ng tenga mo. Actually kulang pa to kung tutusin. So technicality daw no, pinagkaiba. Anyway, halos wala naman pag ganyan kasi pag maliliit o hi-fi system na tinatawag, yung klaridad lang at saka yung linis ng tunog. Hindi ko sinasabing hindi malinis yung other setup. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila mga bossing, lalo doon siya gumagamit ng boses sa live band, ganyan. Iba ang, or sa movie, iba ang out ng mga home theater, iba ang out ng integrated. Pero pwede mo pagsamahin yan, pwede kayo mag-experiment. Depende ulit sa pandinig nyo, sa tenga nyo. Lagi nyo isasatisfy ang sarili nyo. Huwag yung isasatisfy yung pandinig ng iba dahil sila yung nasasatisfy doon, hindi kayo. Ganyan lang po yan mga bossing. So ano pang gagawin natin? October ngayon. Tapos may ads tayo. Tanggalin natin yung ads. So
yes,
continue.
So this is Lila Icon right now. I represent for the greatest Little Lion sound. And I'm no Aguana na Lion roaring now. Hey Geneva, Switzerland. Hey Nico, hey Janali. Make them know so we don't play. Wheel it. Hey Little Lion murder sound. Oh gosh. There's some little jump and say I can't figure around. Hey watch us like I know. Little Lion run up in the dance and murder some. Jump on yes, we willing and we're able to feel how we are done. I fumble up the line when the time for stop when down. And I need the help in the hand. Come on, pray for yes, I'm trying to life and then some peace of mind. We don't need it, I try to know I'm here that time. Every single line, even if it's not line, we are murder, we can jump on tonight. We can lie and I won't feel jump on.
Business.